Welcome to Century Craftsman Kitchen Renovation Part 22. It's been 86 days since demolition and 40 days since the original promise date of May 12th. We have now exceeded our original schedule by 87% and have not even hit Father's Day as a completion date. Last week, Danny was here every day. He did a lot of tidying, cleaning, and painting. On Monday, he installed the pendant light over the sink and prepared for tile installation, and he painted. On Tuesday, the backsplash was installed. Danny and Jeff did a lot of math to make sure that the tiles were centered on the window and the cut lines at the walls worked out nicely. Eric and Simone were our tile setters. They did a good job and completed the work in half the time we had planned. Incidentally, Eric is Cornell's son who set the floor tile. Cornell couldn't do the backsplash because he was involved in a horrific car accident while riding his bike. We wish him all the best, but it's going to be a long recovery. On Wednesday, Danny painted again and installed the range hood. On Thursday, Yanni the electrician came. He finished connecting the stove and all of the outlets. He added dimmers and switch plates to all the boxes. On Friday, Danny did the last bits of carpentry, installed the cover for the old vent on the outside of the house, installed the transition down the stairs, finished bleeding the radiators, and regrouted the floor. The kitchen is coming together and looks great. Danny's part of the kitchen is done. Everything that he touched was completed with tolerances of millimeters or 1/8 of an inch. He liked to say that we deserve perfect because we're paying for perfect. The last thing we're waiting for is Andros Kitchen and Bath Designs to come and finish their punch list. I showed you the biggest items in my last video. Our last communication with them was that they were waiting for some glass to come in, and that would happen this week. I think the next part in this series will be unveiling the new kitchen. I might do an episode after that on lessons learned or things that I wish I'd known at the beginning of the project. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comments below and I'll try and answer them in the next video.